Imagine a label peeling off or fading away just a few months after initial use. Frustrating, right? Heat and chemical resistance might not be your top design priority for your label, but it plays an important role in the overall function of the material. In this video, we'll go over key factors to consider when choosing a heat and chemical resistant label, as well as potential materials that you can use in your application. Heat and chemical resistant labels are common in industries that experience extreme temperatures, as well as exposure to chemicals and harsh environmental conditions. In the automotive industry, these labels are placed under the hood, inside doors, or in other high-stress areas. Electrical applications, like printed circuit boards, use heat-resistant labels, while medical labels may require chemical resistance for the sterilization process. Additionally, outdoor labels, like logos and safety information, must resist heat, moisture, and UV for the entirety of their duration. These specialized labels are made from a durable label stock that can be printed on, then laminated with a resistant film or a protective material. This material combination maintains a clean and professional presentation while ensuring the label can survive challenging environments. The adhesive and protective coating can be specifically selected to resist heat, moisture, UV, or any other design requirement. This will provide long-term performance in the intended application. When selecting heat and chemical resistant labels, there are several important considerations to keep in mind. As previously mentioned, the application and environment will dictate the materials, printing method, and the adhesive used. Outdoor labels may require UV-resistant inks as well as protective laminates, while engine labels require heat and solvent resistance. Material selection should depend on the intended application's temperature range and whether it will be subjected to that heating and cooling over time. Lifespan is also a factor, as temporary labels may use low-strength adhesive to be removed quickly, while permanent adhesives will require stronger adhesive to ensure that the product remains in place for the entirety of its life. Finding the right custom labels depends on the quantity you need as well as the purpose. For small personal projects, it's most likely going to be more reasonable to buy from a larger big box store that has ready-made labels. However, for businesses working with large quantities or with a custom design, working with a flexible material converter is actually the best route. Converters can recommend materials sourced from reputable suppliers, as well as suggest design changes to make it more manufacturable. Collaborating with a converter early in your product's design period ensures that your product will have the best chance of being designed correctly the first time. If you want to learn more about working with a full-service converter, feel free to reach out to us directly or check out more resources on our Learning Center. Thanks for watching.